Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create movie title effect in Adobe Premiere. To begin, add legacy title, click File, New, Legacy Title. Make sure title size 1080x1920, click OK. I'm typing video editing, you can type anything. After scaling at position, close the legacy title window. You will find it in project folder. Drag into timeline. First I will use opacity and scale effect from effect control to animate. Now play. You can use cross dissolve transition as well. Add cross dissolve transition from starting and ending. That's it. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe. See you next time.